Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the STORMCRAFT Skyhawk Pro, a pre-built gaming desktop that feels like it was made for people who are tired of their PC holding them back. The moment you power it on, you can tell this machine is built for serious performance and smooth high-end gameplay. At the core, it's running the Intel Core i9-14900KF, a monster processor with 24 cores that handles gaming, streaming, and heavy multitasking without slowing down. Everything feels instant, whether you're loading into a match or juggling multiple apps in the background. For graphics, the RTX 5070 with 12 GB of VRAM delivers incredible visuals and stable frame rates even in demanding titles. Games look sharp, run smoothly, and stay immersive at high settings without breaking a sweat. Speed is another major highlight, with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, so boot times are lightning fast and games launch almost immediately. Cooling is also top tier, thanks to a 360mm liquid cooler and multiple ARGB fans, keeping the system quiet and controlled even during long gaming sessions. Overall, the Skyhawk Pro is a powerful, future-ready desktop that delivers premium performance, stunning visuals, and a clean RGB setup that looks amazing on any desk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.